This cow is very hardworking, keeps farming all day long and cultivates banana and pours water in it. Gradually the banana tree keeps growing, but one day a bear comes to the field and starts breaking the bananas and destroying them. Only then the cow comes and starts fighting with the bear, but the bear, being powerful, picks up the cow and throws it down, and the cow calls the police. By calling the police station, the police comes. The cow tells the whole story to the police. The police listen to the cow and handcuff the bear and take it to jail, but while leaving, you must do a like for this cow.